What if I told you you can lose fat and build muscle at the same time? That's body recomposition. It's the process of burning fat and building muscle at the same time. Unlike traditional weight loss, it's not just about dropping numbers on a scale. It's about changing your body shape. The first step, follow a mild calorie deficit combined with high protein intake. Aim for at least 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram. Next, resistance training is key. 3 to 5 sessions a week with progressive overload. And don't ignore recovery. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep and stay hydrated. Your nutrition should focus on lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Also include creatine, vitamin D, and magnesium to support recovery and hormonal balance. Track progress with progress photos, not just your weight. Weight loss alone won't sculpt your dream body. Learn to recompose and subscribe for more real, science-backed transformation tips.